Rebels and brainwashed Nexus loyalists clash in streets choked with smoke. A cracked hologram of Sparrow flickers citywide. You are not alone.
Fight for your freedom, for your sovereignty. Here's a word from a fighter whose unit, Drone Logistics Services, recently appeared on the radar.
Kesler Citadel is the heart of this nightmare. We rip it out, together.
In a gutted subway tunnel, a spider mech, armed with fan-designed plasma cannons and cloaking tech, revs up. Gabriel clutches the Sparrow core shard, now synced to 99%.
We have to rescue my sister!
Mariposa slams a drone battery into Viper.
Do you know what he'll try to do to her?
The Nexus Citadel is a government district surrounded by a perimeter of military drones and assets. Rebel drones swarm the Nexus Citadel's defenses. General Kesler's face dominates every screen, his tone venomous.
You are obsolete. Sparrow is ours. The city? Now it belongs to us.
In the office, Kesler has one boot on Asuka's back and the other on her head. She's on all fours, like a stool, with a chain around her neck.
Everything about you is false. You're false! You're inhuman!
Just keep your mouth shut. See what I have next in mind for you.
You said all those nice things, but you lied to me.
You're so simple. I lied to you?
How can you treat me?
Be quiet.
Bring him in.
The Citadel's defenses activate. Nexus Titans, skyscraper-sized mechs, crush rebels. The Nexus frontman and his sadistic cohorts savor the spectacle. They relish the suffering of innocence.
I spoiled everything for you. I took everything from you. I got in the way of all your plans.
Back in the office, Lila's hooked up to some kind of portable transhuman conversion device.
Gabriel, help me!
The core hits 100% sync. The Citadel systems crash, freeing brainwashed civilians.
And? Who the hell cares if they find out? I'll just tell them you made it all up. They'll never believe it. We'll just double the amount of troops and deploy our latest tools. This is a war you can't win. We print money! That buys all the loyalty in the world. Hurry! Llaya won't be recognizable if you don't.
Why are they laughing?
Viper lunges through an invisible charged carbon nanoparticle mesh invented by NASA scientists. Its armor gets sacrificed. Della, Mariposa, and Gabriel continue on to the Citadel Court. These characters really enjoy spoiling people's lives. It's like a sport for them. For some reason, Asuka desperately wanted to be one of them. Why? She thought she was one of them. She was wrong. Discipline, dedication, honor, and loyalty, these aren't traits they share.
While you slept, a couple weeks back. Don't ask. Dr. Mutner wouldn't divulge, so I let her go. Look on the bright side. You'll never know. Hey, that rhymes. I had you go on different assignments. One did what I said, the other didn't. Now which should I get rid of?
What?
All right.
What?
Don't take these things to heart. The issue here, for me, is who to trust. One of you got an easy task last time. You're already on a different path, having avoided punishment. The other pulled the short straw. It's understandable. They were friends. You have to forgive my team. They get a little heavy-handed. It's only fair that we switch things around. I'm gonna fix you up, set you back on track. Here's the deal. They're coming. We arranged a path for them. When they get here, you get to choose whether or not you're one of us.
Kesler plans to deploy a neuro-hack. A beam seizing control of Gabriel's mind. Comment your theories. Season 2 demands your voice. Like, comment, and subscribe. I think you'll particularly enjoy the new season, especially with the twists and turns we have planned in Echoes of Sparrow Part 2.